Welcome back to Dapur Sawit. This is a place where we give you a fusion of food, recipes and science.
Dr. Maha, I heard we have a special person that is expert in red rice. So who is she?
Okay, yes, today our guest is a scientist and she now has become an entrepreneur and she developed the red rice and today we've got something special, red rice with red palm oil.
Wow, so let's welcome her
Yes.
to our kitchen.
Chef, this is Professor Vigneswari Ratnam, former UKM, and she is an entrepreneur now.
Welcome to our kitchen.
Most welcome.
Yes.
So, Prof, what are you going to cook for us today?
Today, something very interesting. We have a rice that we have produced locally, which is red rice. And we're going to use red palm oil together with this red rice to cook a very popular dish called cilantro red rice.
Yes, lime, right?
Lime.
Rice.
Alright, I
Okay.
think we have to put in red palm oil.
Yes.
Have here.
Okay, you look at the color, and the color is rich because it's very rich in beta carotene, right, Prof?
Correct.
And beta carotene is the precursor for vitamin A, and it's also very rich in vitamin E, tocopherol, and tocotrienol. Do you know red palm oil has got 15 times more retinol than carrot, 44 times more than leafy vegetables, and 300 times more retinol than tomatoes.
When you make a salad,
Yeah.
you use this as a dressing.
Yeah.
And if you're going to saute something, you saute it with this one.
So how about the red rice, Prof? What are the benefits of the red rice that you developed?
So the low GI is the main benefit of this rice, which helps you managing your after meal blood glucose. The other important trait of this attribute of this rice is the red color, like the red palm oil. So the red color is anthocyanin.
Okay.
So it
Okay.
very well. Then you
Yeah.
can put in the garlic,
Okay, I can start
saute
now.
it. Yeah.
Yeah. So whatever you mentioned about the antioxidant, red palm oil has got all antioxidants as well.
Yes.
Coenzyme Q10, ubiquinone, phytosterol.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright, so our garlic is ready. So
So again.
the fried rice is ready. Very simple.
Very simple.
I think this is very healthy version.
Yes.
Doesn't need any protein inside. The rice is already good. Okay, we do the plating.
Yeah. Okay.
And after that, we do the tasting part. Interesting.
Very nice.
I feel like a quinoa sometimes. I'm very proud as a Malaysian that we have this good quality of rice. And as mentioned earlier, you can put into salad. Yes, it's a good idea.
Prof, this is so delicious. Thank you so much for this recipe and for being with us.
Thank you very much for having me here.
Thank you, Prof.
Cooking is science. If you bring science into your kitchen, you are going to have healthy lifestyle. So for more science information, stay tuned. Dapur Sawit.
No sugar.